So we got this beauty right there, a 2010 Audi A4 2.0 turbo, an S-line, and we're doing a turbo blanket today, which is right there, and I do like it. Good quality stuff. Let's see how that goes. Okay. So we got the mesh airflow meter taken out. If you have a stock car, you won't have this. It's gonna be a little different. This is aftermarket carbon fiber intake, so it's a little bit different than a stock car. Okay. Turbo muffler delete, and it goes right here. Replaces the stock one. We got a 5mm Allen key. Take the flange off. Okay, take the hose clamp off. There. Pull it out of the way. Good. Now, here we go. So now that's the difference. Right there. This vents to the side. There's no venting here. There's nothing here. Only this one that comes with it, because you don't need to seal here because it already vents from the side.
Right, and there's a seal is right here. This one, the seal is on that.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Stock, aftermarket, seal in the bottom on this side, seal is up top here. Let's see. Get this to fit here. Okay, so the blanket is on. We actually pushed it from down there with a screwdriver just to shove it in that corner right here, and we try to grab it with that needle nose, long needle nose. Here we go. Mount the top. Here we go. I really think one can even be enough, but right there. Wrap it around good. Here we go. And here you got it. Turbo blanket installed. And Of course, put it back in reverse order, the intake system, and we're gonna have to put the lower hose, the outlet for the turbo, after the muffler delete. I'm just gonna put this hose back. There we go.